19?
Yeah.
So do you have any idea or you just stuck?
Yeah, I wrote down a lot, but it was enough. So I did the differential equation of like f of x.
So tell me what to write.
X prime. So I did f dy over dx equals 3x squared minus 12x.
No, very good. Let me say something back to you. You did the right step. You're using a word that's not really wrong, but it's probably better to save it for other things. Did you get that right there?
You mean like dy over dx?
You could write dy over dx. That's fine. Either way. You're finding the derivative of that.
Oh.
So you get to there.
Yeah.
So do you know what to do after that?
So then, how do you say that? I did it like 3x times x equals 4.
Oh, you factored.
I factored it.
In this case, factoring wasn't wrong, but it isn't helpful.
Because like.
You go ahead. No, keep talking. No, you keep talking.
Oh no! I just like drew the sign chart because like I don't know. I just remembered like you did something like that before when it's like concave up or concave down.
So what's happening is you're remembering pieces, but not enough pieces to be successful. So we just keep talking. You're fine. Jesse had a thought though.
No, never.
So where I would start this problem is with this idea, Melissa. Trying to figure out when f is concave up. Danica's chart reminds me that f is concave up whenever f prime is increasing, or whenever f double prime is positive. Okay, you have to memorize. If you don't have a graph, you're never going to be able to see this. So don't try. So we have to go here. Like without a graph, we can't see this. Like these two green boxes cannot be seen if we don't have a graph. So we have to do a sign chart of this red box. A sign chart's my substitute for a graph. I always graph if I can, but if I can't, sign chart. Good?
So this problem does need sign chart. Like it's.
This one for sure will need a sign chart
Okay.
because I can't graph. It's not calculator. So I need f double prime. So can you tell me what f double prime would equal?
F double prime equal 6x minus 12.
There we go. Okay, so we want a sign chart of f double prime. So I draw a line. Do you remember the first step in making a sign chart?
Yeah. Shall we put that? So we need to like factor it. So it's gonna be 6 x times x minus 2.
Keep talking, you're doing great.
And then you put 6 down.
No. First step is to figure out what are the values of x, which will make this 0. So we want the f prime to be 0. So we want to figure out what x will make this a true statement.
Oh. So it's gonna be 2.
2. So we're charting f double prime. So I write here f double prime. So again, the chart has to make sense to you. Don't just do the chart. Make sense of it. When the x value is 2, the value of f double prime is 0. That's how I read the chart. You're way too kind. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Glad we could help.
Oh, baby.
Or as they say in some parts of the country, help.
Help. Hey, love to be some help. This is looking like some fun stuff going on up here.
Well, you know.
Yeah, it's like so much. So much.
So you guys
fun.
get to there?
Yeah.
Okay. So then the next thing is we have to test. So we pick any x over here, any of them, and we plug it into f double prime. So what's the very best x to pick of all these different x's to plug into f double prime?
1.
1 is a really good choice. 0 is even better,
All right.
to be honest. It's just usually easier.
Yeah.
So 0 minus 2 is negative 2 times 6 would, and we don't even care about the number, don't care about the sign,
Yeah.
right? So 0 minus 2, that's negative 2, oh, that's negative, that's all I care. So that means for all these x's, whatever x we plug into f prime, we'll get a negative result. Now we check over here, what's a good test over here, Melissa? Of all these x's, you gotta pick one to test.
Wait, okay. So,
See, because what you need to remember is when you're making a sign chart, all you're doing is plotting f double prime. You're just plotting positives and negatives instead of numbers.
oh,
So you're just taking some x over here, so just tell me any x that's over here.
6,
3, tell me another one.
4, 5.
Yeah, so whatever.
Yeah.
Just pick an x that you can plug in here, so 3 is great.
It's gonna be
So-
positive.
There we go. So it means any x we pick over here, all of those x's will have a positive f double prime value. So Melissa, can you answer the question now?
So it's gonna be x greater than 0. X greater than 2.
Yes, that makes sense?
Yeah.
So is it A or B?
A.
Yes.